Hi lovely people, welcome back to Lily's Foods. For the new subscribers, thank you guys, you are welcome. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for the support. So guys, today I bring for you this super delicious recipe, Matoke and pork KATOGO. This is very easy and it's too yummy guys. Please try it out and get back to me. So I have a kilo of pork here. As you can see, I'm going to chop it up into pork cubes nicely. Yes, so in your pan, please add oil. 2 tablespoons of oil will do. And when the oil is ready, please add in your pork, as you can see here. Add in some salt and pepper. So yes guys, today I have a special one for you. Please support us. This is a Janam spices. These spices are really good flavor. They are really nice. Please find the contact in the description. Please support your girl. So yes, cook your pork until it's golden brown. Remove it from the heat. Yes, so put it aside. And yes, these are our ingredients. I have tomato paste, I have some onions there, I have some chopped carrots and green pepper, garlic and ginger paste, and garam masala from Janamspices. I'm going to use nutmeg from Janamspices, cumin seeds, turmeric and paprika. Guys, please support us. Find the contact in the description. Yes, so in your oil, please add in, don't change the saucepan, use the one that you are using for pork. Yes, add in your onions and your garlic and ginger paste. So you add in your tomatoes. I blended mine, you can grate yours. It's better if the tomatoes are in puree. So yes, add in your tomato paste right there, mix properly. So guys, I already peeled my matoke here. I'm going to cut it into cubes also, just like that. So yes, add in your spices. As I told you guys, these are really nice, affordable, very flavored. You are going to love them. Your food is going to taste different, I'm telling you. So yes, I used cumin, I used paprika, nutmeg. Yes, so you add your carrots and green pepper in there. So at this point add in your matoke and you mix properly. Add in some water, and then here we have our pork, the one we had put aside. Yes, you add it in there, and you cover and cook on medium high heat. Yes. Add in a bit of salt, because remember we put some salt in the pork, so make sure to add in a bit of salt. You don't want the salt to be too much. So I mixed a teaspoon of my roiko there, added in some water. Yes, so that's my rosemary and the coriander. You're going to add this in there when the food is about to get ready, guys. Yeah, so your roiko there, roiko should be the last one, and it's best to put it in there when your food is ready, because yes, so guys, this is our food. Our food is ready. As you can see, it looks super delicious, and trust me, it is really delicious, guys. So try it out, get back to me, let's talk in the comment section. Tell me how your experience was when you tried it out. Yummy. So guys, thank you for your support. For my new subscribers, you are welcome to the family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for watching. God bless you all, guys. Everyone who has watched this video, thank you, guys. God bless you all.